Hello, welcome back to today's tutorial. So in today's I'm going to be talking about how to set up your screen for live streaming and how to set up NDI for live streaming. Maybe you want to display to the screen, or maybe you want to use ProPresenter for live streaming. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. If you are just joining us in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, then like this video. I will really appreciate. So now let's get started by setting up this ProPresenter. As you can see now, I'm currently in ProPresenter right here. So we are setting up our screen, like configuring our screen. Right here you can see these two buttons. We are going to be needing it very much. So that's number one. Number two is that we have some lyrics right here. So to set up your screen, let's just first of all let's clear all this out of the screen. So if you want to set up your screen, come to this screen right here, click on this screen button this screen tab right here. So you're going to see many options right here. So configure screen, if I click on configure screen, so it's going to open this. So I have some screen configured already, so I'm just going to delete all this, delete this one also. So okay, I can't delete, there has to be one screen that has to be removed. So let's just create another one. Let's create this screen. So we are going to be using here. So as you can see, if you have a monitor connected to this, you can use this. So let's just use this item screen one, but let's name it our screen. So our screen. So let's delete this one right now. So let's create another one, NDI, which is going to be streaming. So I'm just going to name it to streaming. So we are going to be using this one for streaming. Now if I select here, if you have the monitor connected to it, you can just select the monitor or click on this identify, just to identify the monitor you select. So this is the monitor selected right now. If you have an external monitor, it's going to show on the right here. So that's just how to connect your monitor. So if I click on this stream right here, but this stream we are using NDI. So you can set a name right here from, let's say, from ProPresenter. Okay, yeah, we are sending 1080p and 30 frame rates per second. So output target, then there's something I want you to know when setting up live streaming for NDI, because we're using this for live stream. Come to alpha key right here. So if I send maybe a text to the output right here, if the presentation has a background, any color of background, it's going to come with it in our streaming software. But with this alpha key, we can remove the background. So I'm just going to select this pre-multiplied. So as you can just remove this screen color. I mistakenly pressed that. So this is for audience. So we are going to set up another one, which is stage display for streaming. We are going to see the result in stream also. So I'm just turn on this here. I'm going to click another one, create another NDI. So as you can see, stage, let's just name stage NDI. So we are sending this one also as 1080 and so on. So let's turn on this audience right here. So this audience, let's delete this, is we don't have, because it's going to like cause commotion. Let's just turn this one on and let's close this. Now you can see now both of them are turned on. So let's first of all let's stop this and let's display this. Since we are using screen, we're going to change the theme to something like, so I'm going to select a theme we created in the last video. Sorry, in the last video I'm going to select the theme we created, which is this right here. So if I select this right here, then let's come back to our streaming software. I'm using it to record right now, so I can add NDI over this. So if I select NDI source, okay, click OK, so it's going to open this. So I'm going to select the NDI. Now we have two right here, though it's not on. If I select this from ProPresenter, you can see now, you can see. So if I come back to ProPresenter right here and I select the background, if I come back here, you can see that it's showing with the background. So that's just it. Now if I come back to indirect here, to we do a stage display. So as you can see, it is clear because I cleared the other time. So if I change this property to something like from the second one we created, which is stage NDI, as you can see, it's showing right here, this is still display. So if I turn on the still display and if I select this is how still display always look like. This is the current, current verse that we are singing. Then it's going to show the next verse. Then it's going to show the current time and also a countdown. So this is how stage display always look like. You can edit this stage display by just clicking on this stage editor right here. So which is going to open. As you can see, we have the current slide test, next slide test, we have the timer, the test system clock, and we have the countdown, video countdown also. So this is just how how to set up your screen in ProPresenter. So if you have this, like I said the other time, we have a external, maybe an external screen connected to the system. So you're just going to select your screen there. So that's how to create thing. That's how to configure your ASCII screen in ProPresenter. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, then drop a comment. I'm going to see you in the next video.